In this video, we will explore the top 25 interview questions that construction managers commonly face. Each question is designed to assess both technical skills and management abilities necessary for success in the construction industry. We will also provide insightful answers to help you prepare effectively. This guidance will enhance your confidence and increase your chances of impressing potential employers in your next interview. 1. What construction management software are you proficient in, and how have you used it in previous projects? I am proficient in several construction management software tools, including Procore, Autodesk BIM 360, and Microsoft Project. In previous projects, I utilized Procore for document management, ensuring all team members had access to the latest plans and specifications. Autodesk BIM 360 helped streamline collaboration among architects, engineers, and subcontractors, reducing rework and enhancing project accuracy. Additionally, I used Microsoft Project for scheduling, allowing for effective resource allocation and tracking of project timelines, which facilitated timely completion and adherence to budgets. 2. How do you ensure compliance with building codes and safety regulations on your job sites? Ensuring compliance with building codes and safety regulations involves a systematic approach. First, I familiarize myself with relevant local codes and regulations before project commencement. Regular training sessions for the team help reinforce safety protocols. I conduct frequent site inspections to identify hazards and verify adherence to safety measures. Collaborating with safety officers and engaging subcontractors in safety briefings fosters a culture of accountability. Additionally, I maintain comprehensive documentation of safety practices, inspections, and incidents to ensure transparency and facilitate continuous improvement. 3. Describe your experience with different construction methods and materials. How do you stay updated on industry advancements? In my career, I have worked with various construction methods including traditional wood framing, steel construction, and modular building. Each method has unique benefits depending on project requirements. I have utilized sustainable materials such as recycled steel and eco-friendly concrete, which contribute to energy efficiency and lower environmental impact. To stay updated on industry advancements, I regularly attend workshops, webinars, and trade shows. Networking with professionals and reading industry publications also keeps me informed about the latest technologies and practices in construction. 4. Walk me through your process for reviewing and interpreting architectural and engineering drawings. When reviewing architectural and engineering drawings, I start by ensuring all documents are complete and up to date. I meticulously check for design accuracy, dimensions, and compliance with codes. Next, I cross-reference the drawings with project specifications to confirm consistency. I engage in collaborative discussions with architects and engineers to clarify any ambiguities. Additionally, I utilize software tools for enhanced visualization and analysis. Throughout this process, I maintain thorough documentation of any revisions or comments, ensuring a clear communication trail for all stakeholders. 5. What strategies do you employ for effective cost estimation and budget management in construction projects? Effective cost estimation and budget management in construction projects rely on several strategies. First, I conduct thorough market research to obtain accurate material and labor costs. Utilizing software tools for budgeting and tracking expenses helps maintain financial oversight. I break down the project into smaller components, allowing for detailed estimates that account for potential contingencies. Regular communication with stakeholders ensures transparency and addresses any changes in scope promptly. Reviewing past projects provides insights that refine future estimates, enhancing accuracy and efficiency in budget management. 6. How do you approach creating and managing project schedules to ensure timely completion? Creating and managing project schedules involves a systematic approach. I start by defining project milestones and breaking down tasks into manageable components. Utilizing construction management software, I assign timelines and resources to each task. Regularly updating the schedule is crucial. I conduct weekly reviews to track progress and identify potential delays early. Communication with team members and stakeholders is key to keeping everyone aligned. I apply techniques like critical path analysis to prioritize tasks, ensuring that we stay on track for timely project completion. 7. Describe your method for prioritizing tasks and managing competing demands on a construction project. In managing competing demands on a construction project, I utilize a systematic approach that involves assessing task urgency and importance. I start by breaking down the project into manageable segments and identifying critical milestones. Utilizing tools like Gantt charts and task management software, I allocate resources effectively while considering team strengths. Regular communication with team members ensures everyone is aligned on priorities. I also remain flexible, allowing for adjustments based on real-time challenges and feedback, ensuring that key deadlines are met without compromising quality. 8. What techniques do you use for risk assessment and mitigation in construction projects? In construction projects, I employ several techniques for risk assessment and mitigation. Initially, I conduct a thorough risk identification process, involving brainstorming sessions with the project team to identify potential risks. I then use a qualitative risk analysis method to prioritize these risks based on their likelihood and impact. Following this, I develop risk response strategies, including avoidance, mitigation, transfer, or acceptance. Regular monitoring of identified risks is crucial, as is fostering open communication among team members to ensure everyone is aware of potential issues and their roles in addressing them. This proactive approach helps minimize disruptions and enhance project success. 9. How do you handle changes in project scope and communicate these changes to stakeholders? Handling changes in project scope requires a structured approach. First, I assess the impact of the change on timelines, costs, and resources. After understanding the implications, I document the change request thoroughly and discuss it with the team to gather insights. I then communicate the change to all stakeholders, ensuring transparency. Regular meetings and updates help keep everyone informed. By involving stakeholders in the decision-making process, I foster collaboration and ensure their concerns are addressed. This approach minimizes disruptions and maintains project momentum. 10. Describe a time when you had to deal with unexpected delays or setbacks. How did you address the situation? During a major project, we faced unexpected delays due to severe weather conditions that impacted our schedule significantly. I quickly convened a meeting with the project team to assess the situation and identify critical tasks that could continue despite the weather. We adjusted our project timeline and communicated the changes to all stakeholders, ensuring everyone was aligned. By reallocating resources and increasing workforce during favorable weather, we were able to make up some lost time and keep the project moving forward without compromising quality or safety. 11. How do you structure and organize your construction teams for optimal performance? To structure and organize construction teams for optimal performance, I begin by assessing the specific skills and experiences of each team member. I then define clear roles and responsibilities based on project requirements, ensuring that each individual understands their tasks. I promote open communication through regular meetings and updates, allowing for quick identification of potential issues. By fostering a collaborative environment and encouraging teamwork, I enhance productivity. Additionally, I implement performance metrics to monitor progress and provide feedback, which helps in continuously improving team dynamics and effectiveness. 12. What strategies do you use to motivate and keep your team focused throughout a project? Keeping a team motivated requires a multifaceted approach. Setting clear goals and expectations is essential, as it gives team members a sense of purpose. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions help maintain open communication, allowing for recognition of individual and team achievements. Creating a positive work environment fosters collaboration and camaraderie, which can enhance focus. Providing opportunities for professional development, such as training or workshops, also encourages team members to engage with their work. Lastly, celebrating milestones keeps morale high and reinforces commitment to project success. 13. How do you manage and coordinate subcontractors to ensure quality work and adherence to deadlines? Managing and coordinating subcontractors requires clear communication, established expectations, and regular oversight. I begin by selecting subcontractors based on their expertise and track record. Once onboarded, I ensure they understand project specifications and deadlines. Regular meetings facilitate updates and address any issues promptly. I also utilize project management software to track progress and document changes. By fostering a collaborative environment and providing necessary resources, I help subcontractors stay focused on quality while adhering to timelines, ultimately ensuring project success. 14. Describe a situation where you had to resolve a conflict between team members or subcontractors. In a recent project, a conflict arose between a subcontractor and a team member regarding the installation schedule. The subcontractor felt they were being rushed, while the team member insisted on adhering to the timeline due to upcoming inspections. To resolve this, I facilitated a meeting where both parties could express their concerns. By actively listening and understanding each perspective, we collaboratively developed a revised schedule that accommodated the subcontractor's needs while ensuring critical project milestones were met. This approach fostered teamwork and improved communication moving forward. 15. How do you ensure effective communication among various project stakeholders? Effective communication among project stakeholders is achieved through regular meetings, clear documentation, and utilizing collaborative tools. I establish a communication plan that outlines the frequency and methods of updates, ensuring everyone is aligned. I encourage transparency by sharing progress reports and addressing concerns promptly. Utilizing project management software facilitates real-time updates, allowing stakeholders to track project status. Additionally, I foster an open-door policy, promoting dialogue and feedback among team members, which helps in resolving issues swiftly and maintaining a cohesive project environment. 16. What steps do you take to implement and maintain OSHA health and safety protocols across job sites? To implement and maintain OSHA health and safety protocols across job sites, I start by conducting a comprehensive safety audit to identify potential hazards. I ensure that all team members receive proper training on OSHA standards specific to their roles. Regular safety meetings are scheduled to discuss protocols and address any concerns. I also establish a system for reporting and investigating incidents promptly. By fostering a safety-first culture and involving everyone in safety initiatives, I ensure compliance and create an environment where safety is prioritized. Regular reviews and updates of safety practices are imperative to adapt to new regulations. 17. How do you approach quality control and assurance in your construction projects? Quality control and assurance in construction projects start with establishing clear standards and procedures that align with project specifications. Regular inspections are conducted at various stages of the construction process to ensure compliance with these standards. I implement a systematic documentation process that includes checklists and reports for each phase. Engaging team members in quality training helps instill a sense of responsibility. Feedback loops with subcontractors and suppliers are vital for addressing any issues promptly, ensuring that the final product meets or exceeds expectations. 18. Describe a situation where you had to address a safety violation on site. How did you handle it? During a project, I noticed a subcontractor's crew was not wearing their required personal protective equipment, PPE, while working at heights. I immediately halted the work and gathered the crew for a safety meeting. I emphasized the importance of PPE and the potential consequences of neglecting safety protocols. After discussing the violation, I ensured that everyone was equipped with the necessary gear before resuming work. I also documented the incident and implemented a more stringent daily safety check to prevent similar issues in the future. This proactive approach reinforced the importance of safety on site. 19. Tell me about a challenging construction project you managed. What made it difficult and how did you overcome the challenges? One challenging project involved the renovation of a historic building while adhering to strict preservation guidelines. The primary difficulties included unexpected structural issues that surfaced during demolition and the need to coordinate with multiple stakeholders, including local preservation authorities. To overcome these challenges, I organized regular meetings with all parties to maintain open communication and quickly address concerns. Additionally, I adjusted the project timeline to accommodate the necessary repairs while ensuring that the project remained on budget. This proactive approach ultimately led to a successful and timely completion. 20. How do you approach decision-making when faced with conflicting priorities or limited resources? When faced with conflicting priorities or limited resources, I first assess the urgency and impact of each task. I prioritize based on project timelines, stakeholder needs, and potential risks. Engaging with team members and stakeholders allows for a clearer understanding of the situation, enabling collaborative solutions. I also explore resource reallocation or delegation, ensuring that critical tasks are addressed without sacrificing quality. Open communication is essential, as it helps manage expectations and fosters a supportive environment during challenging situations. 21. Describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision under pressure during a project. In a recent project, we faced a significant delay due to unforeseen weather conditions. I had to decide whether to push forward with a less experienced subcontractor or delay the project to maintain quality. After assessing the risks and consulting with my team, I chose to delay. This decision allowed us to bring in a more qualified subcontractor, ensuring the work met our quality standards while minimizing potential future issues. The team understood the importance of this choice, and it ultimately led to a successful project completion without compromising our reputation. 22. How do you manage client expectations throughout a construction project? Managing client expectations throughout a construction project involves clear communication from the outset. I ensure clients understand the project scope, timelines, and potential challenges by providing regular updates and being transparent about progress. Setting realistic deadlines and discussing possible delays proactively helps align expectations. I also encourage open dialogue, allowing clients to express concerns and preferences. This approach fosters trust and ensures clients feel valued, ultimately leading to a smoother project experience and higher satisfaction. 23. Describe your approach to handling client complaints or dissatisfaction with aspects of the project. When addressing client complaints, I prioritize active listening to fully understand their concerns. I ensure open communication, reassuring them that their feedback is valued. By gathering all relevant information, I analyze the issue and identify potential solutions. I then present these solutions to the client, discussing the steps we can take to rectify the situation. Maintaining transparency throughout the process is crucial, as it builds trust. Following up after resolution helps reinforce the relationship, ensuring the client feels supported and heard throughout the project. 24. How do you stay current with industry trends and best practices in construction management? Staying current with industry trends requires a proactive approach. I regularly attend construction management seminars and webinars, which provide insights into new technologies and methodologies. Subscribing to industry publications and journals helps me keep abreast of emerging best practices. Networking with other professionals allows for the exchange of ideas and experiences. Participating in relevant training and certification programs enhances my knowledge base. Additionally, leveraging online resources and forums enables me to engage with thought leaders and stay informed about significant shifts in the construction landscape. 25. What certifications do you hold, and how have they enhanced your capabilities as a construction manager? I hold several certifications, including Project Management Professional, PMP, Certified Construction Manager, CCM, and OSHA 30-Hour Construction Safety. These credentials have significantly enhanced my capabilities by providing me with a strong foundation in project management principles, construction best practices, and safety regulations. The PMP certification has improved my skills in planning, executing, and closing projects efficiently, while the CCM emphasizes construction-specific knowledge. The OSHA certification ensures I prioritize safety on job sites, fostering a culture of compliance and awareness among team members. As you prepare for your construction manager interview, familiarity with the right questions can significantly boost your confidence and performance. Understanding the expectations and challenges of the role, along with articulating your skills and experiences effectively, will set you apart from other candidates. Remember, thorough preparation is key to success in any interview. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more valuable content. Your support helps us create more resources for aspiring professionals in the construction industry. Thank you for watching.